Hi dear students, in this module 1 let us discuss about the 7/8 series voltage regulator. So that is nothing but that is LM series regulator. Just we will think of about the voltage regulator. We know that what is voltage regulator. Voltage regulator is nothing but it will adjust the values or else it will regulate the voltage according to the application. Okay, so this here, for example, this xs, first we will see this xs is in the sense it may vary with 05, 06, 7805 series voltage regulator, 7806 series voltage regulator, such a way. Okay, so in 7805 series voltage regulator, the lot of energy is exhausted in the form of heat. Okay, the difference in the value of input voltage and output voltage comes as heat. So if you take the difference between input voltage and the output voltage, it will be high. There will be more heat generation. So without a heat sink, this too much heat will cause some of the function will be improper. Okay, so in order to bear the minimum tolerable difference between input and output voltage, we are going to keep the output voltage at the proper level as dropout voltage. Okay, so now here we have seen the voltage regulator IC block diagram. So this diagram consists of one error amplifier and followed by that pass transistor, then generator, thermal shutdown, and also current limiting. Okay, here we can see the transistor. No, here the transistor, that pass transistor is the series pass element. Okay, it is used for dissipating the additional energy in the form of heat, and also it will control the output voltage by controlling the current among the input and output. Okay, therefore we will call, by using this pass transistor, we are in the safe operating area. Okay, now in the fact the conditions of voltage and current, no, suppose in the equipment is expected to work without any self damage. Therefore this self operating area, safe operating area, is very necessary. Therefore we are using bipolar transistor is implemented with the series resistor. Okay, now coming to this thermal shutdown and as well the current limiting here. What will happen here? The current limiting is nothing but the overflow of current. No, it will prevent the damage of the thing. Okay, then followed by this we are using thermal shutdown. That is, no, we are using some heat sink. That is also so way related over here. And this resistance we are connected R1 and R2, that will act as a voltage divider resistor. Okay, now this is the regulator circuit. That means input DC voltage can be given as 8 volt to 15 volt. No, this integrated circuit. No, therefore one capacitor is the bypass capacitor, then it has been grounded according to the pin. It is the regulated voltage. So 8 volt to 15 volt is the input range. In this we can make it only the plus 5 volt as a output. That is called regulating. For example, you can take a fan regulator. The speed is varying. That means by regulating the voltage, we are using the regulator. By regulating the voltage, the speed is adjustable over there. So by this topic, we are concluding the concluding this module 1. If any doubt, you can ask. Thank you. Okay.